Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you how to remove someone from share list on Instagram. So, let's dive in. First, open the Instagram app and scroll down to any post on your homepage. Next, tap on the share button to access the share list. From this list, tap on the person you wish to remove and then tap Send. Afterward, scroll up to navigate to your direct messages and tap on the message icon. Select the person to whom you just sent the post. Tap on their name located at the top left, then tap Options. You will now see three different options: Restrict, Block, and Report. Select Restrict. By choosing this option, you can limit that person's interactions with your account without completely blocking them. They will also be removed from your share list. This can be beneficial if you wish to maintain some level of connection, but still control what they can see. Alternatively, selecting the Block option will permanently remove the person from your share list and prevent them from viewing any of your posts or accessing your account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching,